my channel. My name is Ashley, aka Pink-UniBudgetz, and here on this channel we do cash stuffing, planning, tracking your finances. We do everything under a little budgeting umbrella except for investing, because we're not quite there yet. I'm still teaching myself about investings and everything. But thank you so much for clicking on my channel. My name is Ashley, if you haven't heard me before. But thank you for clicking on my channel. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and click that like button down below and turn on your notifications. Today we are doing a business cash stuffing for all my small business owners. This is not I don't use real cash for my business expense binder. Like, wait, don't click off. Because I know a lot of people don't really like to see fake cash, but I have a really good reason for it. It's because I use the Novo account for my business, which can separate my funds into different categories. Like you see what I have right here. This is my All About Business binder, and it does come with like the percentages on there. If you do have a small businesses, you know, small business, you know, I forgot what they said, small business, big profit, or you know what I'm saying. Okay, so this is the owner's compensation is 25%. Operating expenses get 30%. Savings or profit is 25%. Taxes is 20%. Of course, everybody's state, business, everything is different. Mine is a true small business. I do not make a lot of profit. I think in the state of Georgia, you have to make over a certain amount in order to be like taxed. I think you have to make over like 10,000 or 15,000. I think it's over 10,000 in order for you to do your taxes or whatever. But I have not, but I am saving up for it. So just in case I do reach over that 10,000 threshold, I'll already have my taxes set aside. And my website is pinkuni.com. Like, these are like my bank bags, and I'll be creating my 100 envelope today, which I'm gonna take y'all with me and show y'all like the process of how I make the 100 envelope challenge, and I'm gonna do like an order so you guys can know how to, you know, see the process of how to make cash envelopes if you like to do it yourself. But I do provide this on my website if you are a small business and you do want to take your money out, so you can put it in these categories so you know how much you have. I would take it out, but it's like I have to transfer it from my Novo bank account to my Wells Fargo bank account, and that takes like a long time if I don't want to pay a fee. Like, I think it takes like 3 days, and I'm just like, you know what? No, I'm not about to do that. So I'd rather do it in cash. So if money comes in, it's already automatically splitting into these categories. But I do like to keep up with it, because the operating expenses, this is where I get my printer ink, my paper, my laminating paper, my little puff balls, like these ones, puff balls, the little rhinestones with my cluster binders, and all that jazz. So that's what these operating expenses are for. The owner's compensation, this is how I pay myself back. Savings and profit, you always want to put a business savings to the side, at least 25%. And then taxes, 20%. Some people will do it higher. If they go above a certain tax bracket, then yeah, that might be a little bit higher. But I'm a small business, so I don't go above like 10,000, but this is how much I have currently. So I'm just showing you guys like the process of this, of how I separate all my business's expenses. So for the operating expenses, I do have a deposit, $40. It's $40.04. I will keep the direct amount on this side, but what I'm cash stuffing is just whole numbers, $40. So I'll put 20, and these are like fake dollars, obviously you can see. So it'll be $40 going into there, and then I do try to update this at least once a week, or I'm going to, because I haven't been doing it, but now I feel like I need to start doing it. So owners come, oh, I put that in operating expenses. See, I'm already messing up. So operating expenses gets $40. That's 30%. Owner's compensation is $27. So 25, 26, 27. I'll put that in there. And these ones are a little bit thicker. But I got these little budget sheets a long time ago, like almost 2 years ago when I first started budgeting. Like you might still be able to find these on Etsy. Savings, we have $22. Like this isn't real cash, so it's kind of hard to do it like, you know, like real cash. So that's $22 for the savings. And this is also really good to make sure everything is looking pretty good, especially in your business accounts. The taxes, so there's another $22. So that's really what I cash with my cash. This is really what I stuff with prop money. And it's kind of like a tracker for me too. Like to make sure I'm on track, making sure I'm not spending a lot. Because with this owner's compensation, I'll end up, you know, spending it, you know, and paying myself back. But I really want to try to save this. And the operating expenses, this one gets used a lot because I'm constantly buying paper, laminating, sheets, like all the stuff. So that's this one. And then we also have like production costs. This one, I'm not gonna cash stuff with prop money, and probably be real money. And then ads. I'll probably, because on Novo you can add more categories, so I might add like production costs, and this is like social media as business expenses, you know, a whole lot of, because I used to do ads, but now that I've really been consistent with my business, I've noticed that I don't really need ads as much. It's more important to grow organically, like not using bots, not using fake followers, not using none of that. If you're doing that, stop. Like don't even do any of that. because all it's doing is really hurting your business in the long run. Because especially my business and the budgeting space is more on making sure there's more engagement. I want to build up my community, because on here I stick with my why. And my why for doing this whole thing, Pink-UniBudgetz, Pink Uni, my business, saving 20K this year, is to get my debt down, show you how you can get your debt down, especially if you're a compulsive spender, you're not doing so well with money, you have big loans, you feel like you don't have money to spend or you don't have money to save, and I'm showing you how to do it. Like, that is my why. And of course, I want to get my debt down, save 20K, buy a house, and grow. Like, be prosperous, be wealthy, especially in my mindset. Because they say, like, the whole law of attraction and being filled with gratitude every day for what I have, and not trying to be like other people, because I'm Pink-UniBudgetz. I'm not Baddies and Budgets. I'm not Taylor Budgets. I'm not the Crafty Budgeter. I'm not any of those. Because I've noticed, like, yes, they have been doing this for a long time. And kudos to them, because they went ahead, they blew up, and they just took off with their businesses and everything. Would they be considered low income? That's a different discussion. You know, they're showing you, if you are low income, how you can budget your money effectively, how to get out of living paycheck to paycheck, because that really is the goal here, is to stop living paycheck to paycheck, fighting lifestyle creep, which is my issue. I may be middle income. I make about, what, $90,000 a year gross. Net is about 60, and I'm still living paycheck to paycheck. I'm a single woman living on a single income, and my bills are almost like at the tip of the iceberg, like, if that makes sense. So I'm showing you how to get from drowning, basically living paycheck to paycheck, borrowing money, getting payday loans, doing like all this type of stuff, trying to meet ends meet, and try to get out of that. So if you are low income, thank you, welcome to my channel, because we are for all incomes over here, because the fact of the matter is that we are all living paycheck to paycheck. It doesn't matter if you low income, middle income, high income, because everybody's lifestyle is different, everybody's budget is different. And when I tell you, like, I'm not low income, I make $90,000 a year. But if you look at my February budget with me, if you look at my paychecks and all my bills, I'm not making that much. I'm not making that much. My rent is like, what, $1,800, and I'm not splitting that with nobody. I'm not. This is all like on me, and that's okay, because I feel blessed that I'm able to pay my rent. I feel blessed that I'm able to get groceries and all the things, because a lot of people don't have that. And I feel extremely blessed to be able to be doing all this, be able to, you know, have a roof over my head and food to eat, and like the little dollar bills that I am able to save, or my savings box, or my envelope challenge. Like, I feel blessed, and I hope you guys do the same things too. Like, I want everybody to win. I want everybody to try to get out of this rat race, like, because that's all that it really is that we're trying to, you know, get ahead, and we're trying to make it through. I'm trying to make it through, and I feel like, you know, I'm getting there slowly but surely by being consistent, staying on top of my page, staying on top of my social media, and, you know, making new products because, you know, a lot of people are able to make new products and stuff. I'm not able to because I do work full time. Like, I work 12-hour shifts, sometimes 4 days a week, and I'm still dishing out money. Like, I'm still living paycheck to paycheck. But I mean, that's my lifestyle. I'm a single woman living in Georgia, which is the lowest paying state, the highest rent, all that type of stuff. But we can get into it a lot of times. Like, we can get into it a lot, but like, we have a whole conversation, man. If you feel the same way, if you make it to the end of this video, make sure to comment down below. Show me, like, tell me your thoughts, because I feel like there's a lot of things that's not being said when it comes to, you know, the budgeting community. I feel like it's a whole lot of, like, I don't know, man. I'm seeing how people move. I'm seeing how people, you know, do things a certain way. And, you know, I'm a small YouTuber. Like, some people could say, you know, I'm not moving high, but I am growing. I see my progress. Never forget that. I see my progress. I'm moving organically. I'm not even focused on getting monetized anymore or anything like that. All I really am trying to do is stay on my budget, stop living paycheck to paycheck, get these bills and these debt down. Like, I'm getting so emotional, you guys, because it's been a lot. But that's all that I'm trying to do. I'm not even focused on getting monetized. Like, that's not even a big thing for this channel. This channel is going to be focused on just getting past that point. And if you're starting here, welcome. Because we all got to start somewhere. We all got to start with saving $5. We all got to start saving $1, you know, stuff like that. So let's start. You know, put that $5 to the side. Put that $1 to the side. Start saving your dollars. Like, I've been saving my dollars since the beginning of the year. I've been doing it for the last 2 years. And each year it has gotten bigger and bigger, with me saving my ones, saving my fives, saving my tens. So put that $1 to the side, put that $5 to the side. You can do it. And this whole community is going to help you to do it. So my next video will be about trying to get a month ahead by using your small bills. Basically using the snowball method to get a month ahead. So that'll be on the next video. Alrighty, so I'll see y'all later. Bye.
Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company?